I grew up in a small town with a small family. Everybody knew everybody knew everyone's business, and was very active in sports growing up. I really grew to love basketball from my grandpa, and I was in Fort Wayne, Indiana for a camp. While we were there, I couldn't stay on the court anymore. I was constantly sick, and so I was taken to my pediatrician, and my pediatrician took one look at me and said, "I know what you've got. It's undoubtedly type 1 diabetes. You need to get to the emergency room. I'm kind of amazed that you are actually here and you are conscious right now, so you need to go right this second." They said if you weren't here within the next day or two, you'd be in a coma. The day after that or two, you'd probably be gone. As I'm, learning to live with this autoimmune disease, I'm also being told that my parents are getting a divorce. I get a phone call that says you're going to need to testify in court. It's incredibly intimidating. It gives me a unique perspective where I can tell the client, I know what that feels like. I know that it is intimidating. I know it is difficult. And I know that anxiety that you feel, that intimidation that you feel, I've been there. Our clients are often dealing with the loss of a loved one. Sometimes they're dealing with their own catastrophic injuries, just depending on the case. And so you're often seeing someone at the hardest time in their life. Our firm is like no other I've ever seen. I feel like the atmosphere at our firm is anybody in this office will do whatever it takes to move our client's case forward, regardless of the time or the energy or the cost that it takes to do that. To be able to help somebody else through their own challenges, through their own tough times, through their own tragedies, to me is huge. If you've been involved in any kind of incident with injuries, the Amaro Law Firm will work your case from start to finish.